And amidst a sharp surge in coronavirus cases in the national capital I was mentioning earlier, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is chairing an all-party meeting. The meeting, which is underway, has been called to discuss the measures to contain coronavirus spread in Delhi. This is coming in as Delhi on Wednesday reported over 7,000 fresh cases, taking its active case tally to 42,458. Not only this, Delhi has also witnessed its highest single-day death count till date. 131 new deaths due to coronavirus were recorded in 24 hours, taking Delhi's death toll to over 7,900. This particular meeting is coming at a time when hospital beds in the capital are facing a crunch. In a tweet, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal also said that in the next few days, 663 beds are going to be added in Delhi hospitals. Along with this, the central government has stepped in. They've pledged to add 750 ICU beds in the capital to counter the shortage of beds in Delhi. Meanwhile, Home Minister Amit Shah has once again stepped up to flatten the COVID surge in Delhi. Health Ministry has set up 10 multidisciplinary teams to visit over 100 private hospitals in Delhi to assess the coronavirus situation. The DRDO also stepping in there, adding 250 new ICU beds. Indian Railways providing 800 beds. Even they have stepped in to battle coronavirus in Delhi.
दिल्ली सरकार के जितने हॉस्पिटल्स हैं उनमें हमें उम्मीद है कि अगले कुछ दिनों के अंदर 663 आईसीयू बेड्स टोटल जो 238 जीटीबी के हैं वो मिला के 663 आईसीयू बेड्स हम लोग अगले कुछ दिनों में बढ़ा देंगे। केंद्र सरकार ने हमें 750 एडिशनल बेड्स डीआरडीओ की फैसिलिटी में देने का एश्योरेंस किया है। उसके लिए हम केंद्र सरकार के शुक्रगुजार हैं। तो लगभग दोनों मिला के 1400 के करीब एडिशनल बेड्स अगले कुछ दिनों के अंदर मैं समझता हूँ आईसीयू बेड्स तैयार हो जाएंगे।
Aishwarya is now joining us live from Delhi for the very latest. Aishwarya, Delhi is battling coronavirus crisis on a war footing. There's an actual shortage of beds in the national capital. The central government has also stepped in. Even the state government is going to be adding more beds. At the moment, what is your assessment of the battle when it comes to coronavirus here in the national capital, with the markets being flooded, social distancing norms going for a toss? Is there any kind of definitive steps that you see that are being taken to stop the surge of this COVID crisis?
Well, let me tell you, one of the major reasons why we are seeing this surge in the capital is, just take a look around and you will be able to see why we are seeing the surge, because people have now started coming out in the markets in large numbers. Most of the people are wearing masks, but the important thing to note is that they are not following any kind of social distancing. I am standing in Sarojini Nagar market, one of the most crowded places in the national capital. Other markets are also seeing similar kind of crowds, no social distancing, which is one of the major reasons, especially during the festive time, why we saw a rise in the number. The other thing which the government is trying to do, a very crucial all-party meeting at the moment is taking place. Important decisions will be taken in those meetings. Now, one of the things that the government is pondering upon is whether they want to shut down markets like this. A decision will be taken very soon, because the government is saying on one hand there is an acute shortage of beds, and on the other hand we are seeing every 24 hours the number is just rising, with 131 people losing their lives in just 24 hours in the national capital, Chaiti.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.